Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto out here in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU279. What this is a 2014 Nissan Murano. It has your 3.5 liter engine, automatic trans, and it has 29,606 miles on it. Now, this one came to us with a front end collision. We're not going to do any starting to it right now just because of the way it's sitting. We will get in the bay, do a compression test, do a trans test, make sure that everything's good before we sell it. This one does have your 18-inch aluminum wheels on it. And so it's got a good right-hand side going all the way down. It does have the lift gate with the camera on it. I didn't check to see if it's a power lift gate, so we'll check it now. Let's see, it looks like there is no power to it. Doesn't look like it's a power lift gate, but it does have a camera. Got plenty of front end parts here that are no good in the back. But it does have a camera to it. It's a good deck lid, good tail light. It looks like this door is okay. The glass might have been busted out from the collision itself. And this door doesn't look half bad. It does have the handle hanging, but it doesn't look bad as far as things indented are concerned. So we'll hop over here on the inside. Like I said, no trans test. We'll go ahead, we'll bring down these windows for you. I think that one works just fine. Here. I think that works. Go ahead of this mirror, make sure it's moving for you. That moving just fine. We'll hop on over here. Looks like all that works just fine too. We'll see if it's like an auto reverse mirror real quick. Which I don't see it reversing. Yeah, so not an auto reverse mirror, but there's the camera working there for you also. So looks like all that works. CD player, I do have a CD in here right now. So that ejects too. I think that works just fine. We're gonna hop over here to AM FM.
Cross. $1,000 cash.
So looks like all that works also. Heater AC control. Let's see, adjusting up here. Recirc. Defrost. That button. So it's like both of those work just fine. So all a good vehicle. I have no sunroof really to test for you. I got the automatic dimming mirror with the compass in it. So we got all that. See if there's anything else. No heated seats. These are power seats here. All that seems to work just fine. So again, UU279. You guys have any questions? This is my 14 Murano with the 29,606 on the mileage. Have any questions, please call Lews Auto. Be happy to help you out. Thank you and God bless.